So there we have it. The rumored iPad Air 4th generation is finally out. And man, what a product it is. I mean, new design, A14 processor, Apple Pencil 2nd generation support, Magic Keyboard support, USB-C. This whole thing makes the new iPad Air really a hot tablet, and more importantly, it makes it a huge competition for iPad Pro. Like, if you think about it, everything is there. Like, we have no promotion, that's true, we have no Face ID, and probably speakers are gonna be worse, as well as we have less RAM. But for most people it really doesn't matter. They wanted to get Magic Keyboard, they wanted to get Apple Pencil 2nd generation magnetically attached, they wanted to have some newer designs, slimmer bezels, full gesture support, they wanted to have beast performance, which they are gonna have, and new Air provides everything. And on top of that, it's also in new colors, and most people are influenced by colors. Like, that's the psychology of colors. And the new iPad Air offers some new stunning colors that I personally like very much, and it makes the old iPad Pro looks almost boring, which is crazy. Like, that makes me think why Apple even did that, because this iPad Air is kinda overkill. Like, the performance, many people say that A14 is gonna be much more powerful than A12X or Z. That's not the case. It's gonna be more powerful when it comes to single core. A13 already was compared to A12Z, but it's not gonna be more powerful compared to graphics, because A14 has only 4 cores, A12Z has 8 cores in graphics, A12X has 7. And also A12X and Z are gonna be more powerful when it comes to multi-core score. It has 8-core CPU, A14 has 6-core CPU. Yes, I know A14 is 5nm chip, A12X and Z are 7nm, but that doesn't change the fact that iPad Pros are still gonna be more powerful overall. But it doesn't matter, honestly. Like, it doesn't matter, because A14, A13, even A12, these processors are so powerful that in day-to-day usage they are flying. And even if you edit videos, photos, or doing stuff like that, it's flying. And really, the difference between A14 and A12Z is not gonna be at all in day-to-day usage. And people who buy iPad Air, they're gonna experience some terrific performance. Maybe it's gonna be less smoother because of the fact that it doesn't have promotion display. But there are many people who really don't care about this 120Hz promotion technology. They care about new design, they care about good looking display, which the new Air is gonna have. They care about overall performance, which, wow, A14 is gonna be terrific when it comes to that. They care about the accessories, and that makes the Air an overkill compared to iPad Pro. It's gonna be cheaper, and as I said, it's gonna be a worse tablet, because like Pro offers 128 base storage compared to 64, offers still more powerful processor when it comes to multi-core and graphics. It offers better cameras, probably better speakers, more RAM, and stuff like that, studio quality microphones, but most people are not gonna care about it, and they are gonna choose Air. And let me tell you, this Air is gonna be terrific tablet, one of the best in the market. And wow, I'm really impressed by the upgrade Apple made, especially that A14 chip. I mean, that is something else, because now people who really are not into the processors, they are gonna see A12Z and A14. What's logically more powerful? A14. So wow, I'm really impressed by that, and I'm curious what you think about this iPad Air upgrade. I think it's terrific deal for the price you are gonna pay. Although I think that if you can find iPad Pro 2018 for less of a price, it's still gonna be a better tablet due to the reasons I mentioned before. But overall, the colors and upgrades that Apple made to Air make it a whole better tablet, and that makes me wonder if they are gonna upgrade Pro as well very soon, because this Air is a huge competition when it comes to that, and it gives you all you may wish. So yeah, it's hard not to recommend this tablet. I don't know actually about the speakers, because they advertised it as stereo speakers, but the previous Air had stereo too. Like, it had 2 speakers on the bottom, and they were dramatically worse than the iPad Pro, so I don't know how it's gonna be in this model. We haven't tested that, we haven't seen that, but overall it seems like a great tablet that certainly will convince many people to get that instead of Pro. And I'm curious what you think. I still think the iPad Pro is better overall, but right now with this A12Z it needs an upgrade to be significantly better than the iPad Air. So that would be this for now. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to press the like button if you did, subscribe for more content like that, and more importantly, be sure to be well and peace.